Hey guys, we're here in Bavaria, Germany, near the town of Fussen, which is only an hour and 40 minutes from Munich. And they have this beautiful waterfall. Look at this beautiful river, so blue, and the waterfall is beautiful. So we're gonna go on a walking tour and look at this beautiful river from that point over there. You should be able to see it a lot better. And I'm gonna bring you guys along with me so that way you guys can see how beautiful this place is. That way when you guys come to Germany, if you come to Munich, you guys know what to expect. You'll know what to see, you'll know where to come. So this is the way, this is like literally 2 minutes from the town of Fussen. You just drive up a little more and then you'll see this sign right here that says Lechfall. And the Lechfall is this, where you can see the beautiful, beautiful waterfall. It's not too much of a hike. There's more of a hike to go to the castle. The castle, that's a lot longer. But this is not too long. Oh, and they also got some bathrooms here if you want to use the bathroom. Right there. And then this way is the fall. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. So let's keep going, walking this way and see what else we can see. There's some people that like to come and just hang right there. They probably go through that little side trail right there and they like to sit down and get the beautiful view of this waterfall with the mountains in the background. And we're gonna walk a little bit more. Let's see this part again too. It was beautiful. I love the way the water looks. It's so blue. Is there more waterfalls that way? More waterfall that way? No waterfall. Only this? Okay, thank you. So they just told me that that's the only waterfall. So I'm not sure what this trail leads up to, but just took a little look. You see some mountains right here. So pretty. They're doing. I'm gonna go over this trail right here and get a better view. Oh my god, I'm too short. Let's see if I managed to get under this. Okay. Here, we made it. Beautiful. Let's see if we can get lower and get a better look. If you guys do come, be careful because you know you could slip. And then they have this bar wire here. I don't know how you pronounce the bar wire. The post. So be careful. I'm trying to be very careful. Step where I step, guys. Okay, there you go. And then be careful going down here. You don't want to fall and end up down there. I'm just showing you guys so that way you guys can see what to expect. I'm coming over here and you guys feel like you can go down here, down this trail to get a better view. Okay, I made it without hurting myself. And I'm wearing my mask because there's a lot of people here and I don't want to, you know, I don't want to catch anything. So I'm walking through here. I feel like I'm going through the jungle. It's beautiful. Wow, I don't know if you guys can see this right here, but the water is so clear. It's so clear and beautiful. Let's keep going. Let's see if we can keep going. I'm trying to go to like that area right there so that I can like stand down there, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that. I don't want to fall. I don't think I'm going to be able to go that way. Let's see. I'm not giving up, guys. I'll go a little further. I'm actually terrified because I'm afraid I'm going to find myself with a snake or something. And I'm scared of them. Okay. Found a little spot right here that maybe I can get down through. Okay. I'm doing this for you guys so you guys can see better. I made it, guys. Okay. This is what I wanted to do. I wanted to come right here. Oh, man. See, that's from the little area up there where you can view. Oh, look, I'm not the only one here. There's some people over there. And there's some right there. Wow, the water looks so beautiful. Like I was telling you guys, it looks so clear. Look at that. There's Nathaniel. He's trying to get a good drone video for me. So that way you guys can see it from up high. You'll be able to see how blue the water is and beautiful. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would ever like to come out here. If you guys have been here, if you think this place was completely beautiful and worth seeing, let me know in the comments below. Look at it. Kind of hard to walk on these rocks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay guys, so I'm gonna log off now. I hope you guys have enjoyed me taking this little trip down here so you guys can see this beautiful lake. Deutschland. Germany.
Estuvimos en Austria, pero nunca
Hey guys, we have just now reached the border of Austria, which is 2 minutes away from Fussen, Fussen is an hour and 45 minutes away from Munich. So if you guys ever come to Munich, drive to Fussen to see that beautiful castle and those beautiful waterfalls, and then 12 minutes later you keep driving and then you'll be in Austria. This is Austria. And we're gonna go check out this beautiful lake that it's in Austria. I really think that this trip is highly worth it. If you can rent a car, drive from Munich down to Fussen to see the beautiful castle and see those beautiful waterfalls that I showed you guys, and then just drive to Austria, which is right here. It's only like 2 minutes. It's only like 12 minutes away from Fussen, and it's worth seeing. This beautiful river runs from Austria all the way down to Germany, which is really cool to come and see.